Okay, here we are at the Catawba Island State Park. This is the boat ramp. I am testing out the new camera that we won in the Strictly Low Budget Film Contest for the Feature Film Challenge for Orion Arises. I am filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, and I am filming currently without a mic. I am testing the microphone that's built into the camera. I'm testing the audio here. The audio should be recording, should be automatically on. I didn't touch anything with the audio. White balance is set to audio. Exposure rate is set to 0. Yeah, everything is everything looks better on camera than it does with the AI, surprisingly. I was watching some of these guys going in and out. This guy's backing in. He's about ready to go out, catch some walleye or perch or something, I don't really know. This guy's ready to haul out. So in a minute here I'm going to be testing out my microphone. Oh, I need to change the date. There they go. They had a good day. I need to get out there yet. Probably the only local here on Catawba Island who has not been out yet. Fishing, that is. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 70 degrees. It's real choppy out there though. I guess you can't really tell on camera, but it's 2-3 footers, not too bad. And they are launching the boat. I have about 5 hours of recording time, which isn't too bad. It's actually pretty nice, actually. You get everything that you need. And he is launched. Okay, so now I'm going to get the microphone out and I will test out the microphone settings.